Publishers using in-app bidding see up to 60% uplift in overall app revenue by shifting from sequential waterfalls to real-time auctions. In-app bidding is a programmatic auction that happens inside your mobile app. It simultaneously invites bids from all demand partners and serves the highest one within milliseconds without an extra hop. Want to know how it works? Let's learn about in-app bidding in today's video. In order to set up in-app bidding, you will first need to integrate a SDK in your app. You can set multiple ad partners in the SDK to participate in bidding. When an ad opportunity opens up, the SDK broadcasts bid requests to multiple ad partners at once. Bids return within milliseconds. The highest bid is selected by the SDK and that partner's ad is displayed. This bidding process ensures that an app publisher gets the best price for their ad inventory. You can also set a floor price, which is the minimum price for a bid to be accepted. If you want to learn how to set up floor price or set up a fallback, drop us a comment and we'll make a video explaining that. In-app bidding has multiple benefits for app publishers. Here are some irresistible ones. Higher eCPMs. Simultaneously getting multiple demand partners to bid drives up competition, yielding better prices per impression. Improved fill rates. More bidders seeing each request means fewer unfilled ad calls. Reduced latency. Real-time auctions cut out extra network calls compared to multi-step waterfalls. Simplified SDK management. One bidding SDK can replace numerous individual ad network SDKs, reducing app size and maintenance. Here is an example of a waterfall bidding process. Call network A, wait for response. If no fill or low CPM, call network B and wait. And continue down the list. Its drawbacks include slower fill, less transparent pricing, and manual optimization. In in-app bidding, simultaneously invite all networks to bid and accept highest bid instantly. It has numerous advantages, including faster ad load, more transparent competition, and automated yield optimization. In-app bidding has a positive impact on your revenue. After implementing in-app bidding, app publishers report a 10 to 30% uplift in their ad revenue. The increased auction density improves average CPM by giving each ad partner an equal opportunity. That's not all. Reduced latency keeps users engaged, lowering churn, and increases ad viewability. That's all for today's video. For more insights on ad strategies, app monetization, and everything in between, follow YieldMock. See you in the next one.